I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to see who you've blocked on Reddit. Step 1. Open the Reddit app on your iPhone, iPad, or Android device, and then tap your profile icon on this screen. A menu opens. Step 2. Tap Settings in this list of options. Step 3. Navigate to the Account Settings section, and then tap your profile name in this section. Your Reddit account settings screen opens. Step 4. Swipe down this menu until you get to the Safety section and then tap Manage Blocked Accounts in this section. The next screen shows you a list of all of the accounts you've blocked on Reddit. If you've had a change of heart and decide that you want to unblock someone on the platform, all you need to do is tap Unblock next to that user to unblock them on Reddit immediately. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.